Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a simple swipe with some nice bright sunset colors. To prepare the paints for the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors. This is going to help create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe. I'm giving each of them a quick stir. Each of the base paint colors is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add. I'll list all the paint colors, ratios and supplies in the description box so you can find all those details there. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic that the canvas came packaged in to do the swipe. I really love the contrast between the black and the bright colors, and I feel like overall the colors blended really well together too. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me and I look forward to seeing you again next time.